Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Super AutoPets error code 525. As per our research, this error is most likely a server-side issue. And the error is probably coming from the server's end and not something wrong with your device. The first thing you should do is power cycle your device along with the router. Simply shut down both, then wait for a few minutes, then restart them. After that, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still appears, then check if there is any update available for the game. If there is, install the latest update and try again. If none of these steps work, then the issue is likely with the servers. In that case, wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.